Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. When most people think of the law, they picture a courtroom, heavy wooden benches, massive stacks of dusty papers, and procedures that feel like they haven't changed since the 19th century. But if you are watching this online today, I have news for you. The code has updated. Indian law is currently going through one of the most massive transformations since independence. We have completely replaced our colonial era criminal laws with the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is BNS, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, that is BNSS, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, that is BSA. But beyond the new names, what does today's law actually mean for you, the digital citizen? It means the legal system is finally recognizing the world we actually live in today. An FIR doesn't just mean walking into a police station, it means EFIRs. Evidence isn't just a single paper document. Today, electronic records, server logs, and digital trails carry immense weight in a court of law. Justice is moving to the cloud, with virtual hearing and digital summons becoming the norm rather than the exception. But with this modernization comes a massive shift in responsibility. As an Indian community, we live in an era of instant sharing, but today's law is keeping a very close eye on the digital space. From data privacy framework under the DPDP Act to strict laws surrounding online misinformation, deepfake, and cyber fraud, the boundaries of the digital world are being legally defined. Knowing the law today isn't just for advocates and judges, it's for the creator, the entrepreneur, the tech enthusiastic, and the everyday citizen scrolling through their feed. Ignorance of the law is no longer just a mistake. In the digital age, it's a massive liability to everyone. Today's law in India is striving to be faster, more tech driven, and more citizen centric. But a legal system is only as strong as the awareness of the people it protects. Let's use the power of being connected to stay informed, stay legally literate, and build a safer digital India. Thank you, everyone.